everyone, I'm Hamjak Mariang, Norok Night Tangoyak Hainainuk, Jotonona Aniyang, the Happy Tring, Advance Merry Christmas, the Advance Happy New Year, the like Hambay.
And it's already New Year, and therefore we are going to welcome our Honorable Governor, Sri JISHNU de VARMA, to please come on the dais. Along with him, we would like to request Honorable Lady Governor Srimati Sudha de VARMA and Srimati Sidhaka, Honorable Minister, PRNRT, Sri Poonam Pravakar, Honorable Minister, Bisi Welfare and Transport, Sri Jupale Krishna Rao, Honorable Minister for Culture and Tourism, Sri Itala Rajender, Honorable MP, Sri Dana Kishore, Principal Secretary to Governor, Sri Burra Venkateshwar, Chairman TGPSC, Sri Ajay Mishra, Chairman Indian Red Cross Society. Let us all welcome them to the dais. Happy Tring! Tring ni hamjang mata chiba ya paro jotono no. Let us all rise up. Jotono basa lanyai. Let us all together say Happy Tring! Happy Tring! Happy Tring!
বেলি জোড়াও উলাইব মানুষ তো জাহিনী বেলি জোড়াও উলাইব মানুষ হিন্দি রাত্রি সবে নাই হিন্দি রাত্রি সবে নাই This is my dream. Let it be also your dream. This is my dream. Let it be also your dream. Let it become everyone's dream. Let it spread on and on. Let it spread on and on. Miles and miles, we just have to go on and on. There is no way we can feel tired and small. The struggle won't be forever.
Someone hold